Good morning, kids, and welcome to you in my class. So, all my children are happy and ready for the class? Yes? Okay, so let's start today's class. So, tell me, children, which sound we have learned yesterday? We have learned sound. Which sound? Sound. And today we will learn the vocabulary words of sound and how to write sound. So first of all, take a look on four sounds pictures. Okay, then for what is this? Snake. Yes. And the song of sound is the snake is in the grass. The snake is in the grass. The snake is in the grass. Yes. So this is for snake. For sunflower. For sunflower. Now for sun. And yesterday we have made a sun with yellow paint and with earbud. So this is for sun. Yes. And where we can see the sun? In the sky. Yes. For sun. For socks. And socks we wear in our feet. Socks. For soap. And with soap we take bath and we wash our hands with for soap. For scissors. Scissors. And what we do with scissors? We can cut the papers with for scissors. Yes. So children, this is sound pictures and today we will learn how to write sound. Okay. And children, now first of all, do with me, we will write sound in the air. Okay. Now see with me and do with me. Make a curve in the air. This is 1 and 2. 1 and 2. This is sound. Like make a curve and a curve. This is sound. Yes. So children, yesterday we have made a sun for sun and now today we will learn how to write sound. Yes. So be ready with your alphabet small letters book and with pencil. Okay children. Okay, so children, this is your alphabet small letters book and we are learning sound. Which sound is this children? Sound. And today we will learn how to write sound. Okay, now first of all on this page number 9191, here you can see the dots and we have to trace all these dots and it will be show sound. Now trace all the dots with curve and again trace the curve and this is sound. Yes, one more time children. Trace from here and make a curve and again a curve, and this is sound. Now turn the page. This is page number 9 to 92, and this is for socks. Now come on this page. Here you can see the dots of sound. 1 and 2 line. In these 2 lines you have to write sound. Now trace with me. Curve and curve. Sound. This is very easy, children. Curve and curve. So like this, children, you have to trace all the dots for sound. And for snake, sun, sunflower, and what else, children? Socks. Socks. Now children, here you can see a dot, and now you have to write yourself. Okay, now look at here and try to write with me. Start from here. In these 2 lines, make a curve like flower. And what else, children? Socks. Socks. Now children, here you can see a dot, and now you have to write yourself. Okay, now look at here and try to write with me. Start from here. In these 2 lines, make a curve like this, and again a curve like this. Start from here with curve and then curve. This is sound. Curve and curve. Curve and curve. So in these 2 lines, in these 2 blue lines, 1 and 2, you have to write sound. Now fill the page with me with sound. 1 curve and then 2. With curves, you have to write sound. Make a curve and then curve. Curve and curve. With 2 curves, you have to write sound. So children, today we have learned sound, how to write sound. So like this, children, you have to learn sound, and you can practice on your slate also. So children, now we will meet again on Monday. So please keep learning and keep sending me your homework on time. So children, take care and bye-bye.